Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fatani Den. In this occasion, I want to make a presentation about Pecak Pecak presentation. And in this project, I choose Indonesian country because this my country actually. And there is a picture in here. Why I choose this picture? Because this like the culture of Indonesia in Independent Day. 17 Agustus, because that I use this photo. Okay, this is my first slide, and the next slide is the Iceland of the Indonesia. Actually, the Indonesia is have the many Iceland, but this the biggest Iceland in Indonesia. Like there is Jawa, Sulawesi, Kalimantan, Papua, and Sumatra, and other. And Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia now, and Indonesia is use bahasa language, bahasa Indonesia too. And from the data Indonesia, the data 2023, Indonesia is have 281.2 million population, but for the now I don't know how many the population of Indonesia. Okay, with next, this the flag of the Indonesia country. There is a red color and the white color. The red color is the mean, the symbolis is the strongest, and the white symbolis is like yes, Holy kesucian. That. Okay, we next to the next slide. This the Indonesian government now. There is our president Prabowo Subianto, and the vice president is Gibran Rakabuming. Yes, this our government 2024. Before is Joko Widodo and Maruf Amin, but already changed to the Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Rakabuming. I don't know why he can win, but this our president in Indonesia. And we next to this next slide. There is a short history of Indonesia. Indonesia is a Southeast Asian country made up of the dozen of its land. In ancient time, it was home to powerful kingdoms like Sriwijaya and Majapahit, which influenced trade and helped spread Hindus and Buddhists in the region. And the currency used national anthem. The currency, maybe you all already know what the currency of Indonesia use. Indonesia is used either or rupiah. And the national anthem Indonesia Raya, composed by Wars Pratman. Before Indonesia used currency in rupiah, Indonesia use sen. Maybe you already know about sen. Sen is what the currency before rupiah. He used 1946 before rupiah, and after that changed to the currency to the rupiah. And until this Indonesia use rupiah, and the Indonesia Raya composed by Wars Supratman. And after this, the best film from Indonesia, I think is many, because Indonesia is have many film, but in here I just use just show three film from me. There is Pengabdi Setan. Why? Because Pengabdi Setan is the good horror film from Indonesia, because he already from 2017, and he's get a good rating until now. And the second is Agalayan film. This maybe I think is good film, because yes. And the last is KKN. This when he's launching, this film is so booming, because I don't know why it is so booming, but this is a good film. And film from Indonesia is many, because I think 80% from Indonesia is a horror film. Uh, because that I use three. My option is from horror film. And a famous product from Indonesia, maybe you all already know about batik. This so popular in Indonesia and until the international. Batik is a traditional cloth from Indonesia. People make it with special pattern and color. But the popular color is like brown and there is a yellowy in here. Each place has a different style. Batik show culture and is used for special event that why is famous in Indonesia. This so popular product from Indonesia and many people use this cloth, not only the national people but the international people from other country use this too. And the typical food from Indonesia is many. Maybe you all already know about the Indonesian food. Indonesian food is popular because his food is strong flavors and many food already get a good ranking for the international food like rendang, nasi goreng, sate, and gado-gado, and all about the Indonesian food. There is a chili and like that. Why Indonesia can get a good rating for from the other country or other people outside of the Indonesia because Indonesia is have a strong flavors and a good flavors with his food. Okay, we next to the slide. There is tourist attractions. Maybe you already know about the place, the Indonesia place. The top destinations like include Bali. Yes, maybe this Bali the good destination because I mean outside the Indonesia people come to the Bali. Yes, this a good place uh, to holiday because good place and yeah. And not only Bali, there is Borobudur Temple in Jogja, and Komodo Island and Raja Ampat. Uh, I cannot show you all the picture of the place because Indonesia is have many good top destinations in Indonesia, but I just tell in here Bali is the good top destination. Okay, we're next to the university in Indonesia. I think so many university the good Indonesia, but I just show you the three good university in Indonesia. The first is University Indonesia. Maybe you are know he's from what? This from Depok. University Indonesia good. This from Depok, the good university. And the second is Institut Teknologi Bandung. Yes, is from Bandung. And the last is Universitas Gadjah Mada. He's from Jogja. Yes, actually, it's many university Indonesia, but I just show you the three good, like there is IPB and something like that. But in here, I just show you three university good in Indonesia. And the next slide is there is sport in Indonesia. Yes, sport are important in Indonesia. Badminton is very popular. And Indonesia is good at in the world. Football is also loved by many people. Pencak silat, a traditional martial art, is well known in Indonesia and other countries. Young people also like volleyball and basketball. Yes, in Indonesia is the most very popular, very popular is badminton. Uh, and the second is the football, and the third is basketball, and the fourth is volleyball and something like that. But I think all sport in Indonesia is so popular because Indonesia is have many population and there is many, and the last is maybe you know esport. Yeah, but I forgot to tell this. Yeah, Indonesia is so popular in esport like PUBG and something like that. And next to the entertainment Indonesia, maybe you already know all this face from the Indonesia content creator like Just No Limit, Realisi Ridi Salim, Atta Halilintar, and other. These have different content like Just No Limit is make the content a gaming content like about the e-sport and playing games and content creator. And the Atta Halilintar is vlogger. He always make the content about his family and his again Halilintar and something like that. And the third is Mamang Kuliner. Mamang Kuliner is the content creator that he makes review food, not only the Indonesia food, but he always review food in the in online and something like that. And the last is Willy Salim. Maybe you are already know. He after get the Willy Salim is make the content creator from TikTok. He always make like always giving and giveaway, and he after big forget what ya. Yeah, he always make a social experiment and other. And we next to the public transportation in Indonesia. Maybe you first there is a KRL. Maybe you are already know about this transportation. He many destination, but only in Jabodetabek, like go to Bogor line, Jakarta Kota line, Tangerang line, and Cikarang line. Apa ini line? Hah? Solo Jogja dari sekarang. Oh iya, and Solo Jogja too. But this Jabodetabek KRL. And the second is Transjakarta. Yes, busway. You can find this in Jakarta. So many. He have money. He have many destination too, like KRL. And the third is Jaklingko. Jaklingko is like angkot, but he's resmi from the Indonesia, and he free, not pay, but he only around Jakarta, not the other city. You can use the Jaklingko. And next to the biggest brand from the Indonesia, there is I just choose two. There is a Polytron Indonesia. Polytron is an Indonesian electronic company established in 1975. It make product like TV, refrigerator, washing machine, smartphone, and speaker. And many product he already make. And the second is Advan Indonesia. Advan now in 2025 is so booming because he make the good electronic like laptop and a smartphone and something like that. With the good quality and good for your money. And the next city Indonesia, I think for this slide, Indonesia is have many city, but I just show you three city. The most city there is Jakarta, Surabaya, and Jogja. Yeah. Yes, this Jogja. I just choose this city because this good. And okay, we next to the weather session Indonesia. Yes, Indonesia is only have two session, like rainy and dry, not like other country. The temperature of range around 27 Celsius. But the Indonesia too have like during session and something like that. Okay, we next to the public figure, the Indonesia. This maybe you already know about. There is Jerome Pauline, Raffi Ahmad, and Verrell Bramasta. This I think these three people is so popular in Indonesia because he like making a film or making content video in social media like YouTube, TikTok, and something like that. Okay, and maybe this the last slide. The most popular school in Indonesia. I choose these two school, the best school. There is no, there is Jakarta International School and Maniche. Why Jakarta International School is good in Indonesia? Because first is so expensive and is so good what manufacturer in here. You can, because not only the Indonesian people in this school, but there is international people in the GIS. And the Maniche is good about the good boarding school with a strong academies and religion, often ranking first in national exams. But schools are the best because of their high quality smart student and many achievement. Yes, Manicha is have a good ranking, and if you want to like go to the good university in Manicha, you so easy because he have the first ranking in the school. And for the GIS is expensive, but the facility, yeah, the facility is so good. Like there is a basketball field, football field, and other, and the gym and something like that. Okay, thank you. Already watched my presentation. If I have some mistakes, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.